Very good observation. Now, let me introduce to you the four types of sentences. Would someone can read this definition of declarative sentence? Let's take a look the sentence that group 1 came up with. So this one is a declarative sentence. Could you tell me the reason why it is classified as declarative sentence? Very good. Now, can someone give me an example of declarative sentence? Answer. Now let's talk about the second type of sentence. Would someone can read this definition of interrogative sentence? This one. And could you give me an example as well? Very good. So, it is easy to understand, right? Remember that an interrogative sentence ends with a question mark. So, the sentence that group 2 came up with is an example of it. Did you get it? I also want to remind you that you have to read an interrogative sentence as well. You have to read that you're really asking a question. Don't just read it as it is a declarative sentence. So you won't be misunderstood when someone listens to you. That's wonderful. So let us proceed to the next type of sentence, which is an imperative sentence. Please read this definition of imperative sentence. Thanks. Now let's check the sentence that group 3 came up with. This sentence ends with a period, but it doesn't mean it is a declarative sentence. Could someone explain why this sentence is not a declarative sentence? You got it. Any volunteer to give me an imperative sentence that gives an order and direction? Well done. So what about an imperative sentence that expresses a request? Oh, I could see that you got a little confused of imperative sentence, but I am glad that you are able to get its function. Nice try for those who give their answers. So now let us discuss the last type of sentence, the exclamatory sentence. Could you please read the definition of exclamatory sentence? Thanks. So, can someone give me an example of exclamatory sentence? So, what are the four types of sentence? So, well done, class. So, any question or clarifications? So, thank you very much for your cooperation for this discussion.